Our discussion about the DevOps leads us to another important thing. The systems development by Agile must ultimately transition into the operations and be integrated in the service by IT vendors to the business. These services are managed and delivered through IT service management, which is governed by ITIL practices. Just this, we need to get ops working closely with dev processes. We must also connect the ITIL lifecycle with the development lifecycle. The product owner brings up a product requirement in the form of user stories or epic with the business case, which must also become part of the overall IT service strategy. The transition of the features into the sprint backlog must be aligned with the design of service. The service transition plan must be in place so that the developed feature can be integrated into the operations into the smooth manner. Agile and ITIL roles must either be combined or they must collaborate closely to enable smooth transition of products into the service management role. The service owner and the product owner can either be the same person or they must collaborate closely and clearly represent the customer's needs. When a product is deployed, a transition into the delivery of the services to the business and the end-to-end understanding of the life cycle enables clearer visualization of customer value. The product owner must either be part of or lead the change management advisory board or CAB because the product owner is responsible determining the priority of the user stories and releases. Just as the Scrum Master is working with the development team to continuously improve the development cycle, the Continual Service Improvement (CSI) manager works to ensure the services linked to the products are also improving. If there are any issues across the value chain, the two must collaborate to ensure that they are constantly being reviewed and improved.